Hey everyone, David Coe at the Coe Real Estate Group. One of the things that I love doing as a real estate agent is prepping a home before we put it on the market to sell. But whenever we're done with that prep, the most common things a seller will tell us is, I wish we would have done these things years ago so we could have taken advantage of some of these upgrades. So today we're going to talk about the what you should be doing and the when you should be doing it. But before we talk about the when, let's jump into the what. So the number one thing you can do to your home to help improve the value is to remodel the kitchen. Now, if you were doing it right before sale, you might do something smaller like painting the cabinets, maybe changing out the handles, changing out the appliances. But if you're going to be in the home for a few more years, you might as well go all out. Put in new cabinets, replace the countertops, change all the plumbing fixtures, change all the appliances. Improve the kitchen, give it more workspace, give it more storage space, put on sleek stainless steel appliances that you'll enjoy cooking on, and one day a new buyer will be wowed by when they walk into your kitchen. Same thing with a bathroom. Anything you can do to a bathroom as far as retiling, changing out the sinks, changing out all the fixtures, the countertops, the cabinets, mirrors, lighting. There's so many things that you should do. And if it's right before you sell, they might be more on the minor side. But if it's before you sell, sometimes you can do a really thorough kitchen remodel without having to change the layout of the bathroom, which you can really do a lot of impact without having to go through and completely redesign the entire bathroom. Next up is curb appeal enhancements. Landscaping goes such a long way to a new potential buyer, and sometimes landscaping takes a couple of years to come in. So that might be one of those things that's worth investing in now. Not only do you get the enjoyment of it while you still live in the home, but maybe it might take 2 or 3 years for trees or shrubs to kind of mature a little bit. So you might as well do that now and give it some time to grow in. Painting is something that lasts usually 5 to 10 years, so why not paint the home now and you enjoy the visual appeal of your new paint and the impact it has on your home. And thirdly is a garage door. A garage door has a really low cost relative to the size of the impact it makes just because garages are big. So if you've got an older garage door, you might want to consider replacing that. Anything you can do to improve the efficiency of your home. So if your windows are original, absolutely that's something that you can replace now. If you don't have adequate insulation, you can consider that. If your HVAC system isn't one that's modern and up to speed, you might want to consider that. Beyond the impact you'll get when a potential buyer down the line is comparing your house to another house, this may also save you money on energy costs while you're still living there. There's all kinds of great technology about making your home smart. So security systems, thermostats, lighting, music through Sonos systems and other kinds of music amps are very, very common these days and something that are in demand by a potential buyer. Anything where they can, use whatever home system they want to use to create scenes where in the morning with a simple command, the lights can come on, the heat can come on, your music can come on. Anything like that is a really strong investment in your home. And again, something that you can enjoy while you're still living in it. And then opening up a floor plan, right? This one may take some time and we aren't able to do these kinds of things right before we sell it. But if you're going to be staying in the home for another 5 to 10 years before you sell it, this might be worth considering, right? If you don't have an open floor plan, maybe removing a wall or raising up a ceiling to give it more volume, improving the natural light, just giving it more functionality. These are the types of things that you can do now and enjoy the home for a few years and will have a huge impact when you're ready to sell it. the outside of the home, doing a deck or, creating outdoor living space through a patio addition goes a long way. It's both useful for someone who wants to entertain and use their backyard, or for someone who wants to escape and just have a space where they can be that's very private, calm, and relaxing. Adding landscaping with trees and plants and water and fire, adding a fireplace, seating, all these types of things are relatively inexpensive, especially when you consider the price of maybe doing a renovation on a kitchen or a bathroom. So all of these types of things make a difference in the value of your home. It's really an investment in your future, right? Any money you spend on your home, which for most people is their largest asset that they own, they are going to get some increased value from it. And the sooner you do it, the value you get over time as those improvements appreciate. Anything that you do, let's say within a 5 to 10 year period, when you go to resell it, that's still kind of considered a recently remodeled home, where you'll still get the benefit of having recent additions, but you had 5 to 10 years where you got to enjoy them versus spending a bunch of money and just turning around and reselling it. So, if you are looking to maybe make some additions to your home, but you're not sure where to start, you're not sure who to call, and you're not even sure how to pay for it, give us a call. This is what we excel in. We'd love to come by, take a look around, make some suggestions, introduce you to some people, and maybe get you on the path of getting your home renovated and ready for sale, even if you're not ready to sell it for another 5 to 10 years. So David Coe with the Coe Real Estate Group. I hope this was helpful, and I hope to talk to you soon.